On the Ram ProMaster EV, the 12-volt battery is located under this panel in front of the driver's seat. So it's just under the steering wheel, the driver's seat, and there is these little connections or latches here. So there's one right there that you can do with your hand. The rest you can use like a coin or something like that. Just happen to have a flathead screwdriver, so just use that. You just turn it to the left. It doesn't take much pressure. You don't have to like wrench down on it. You just gently kind of turn it around like so. Go around here to this other one, and then once you release them, then you can just kind of pry up and lift it up here. And now it's caught there in the back, so you can see these little tabs right here that go in there, and that way it doesn't lift up and interfere with the pedals there. But basically you just lift up on this and just move it out of the way, and there's the 12-volt battery. You can see it's a very large 12-volt battery, and that's how you access it. And there's also fuses in here as well, and so that you can visually inspect these fuses. You can also use a continuity tester to double check them. But yeah, that's how you reach the battery. You can see it has this little foam seal, a little bit of a foam seal there. Not sealed up that great, but you know, it does have a little bit of protection there from dust and stuff, I guess. And when putting the cover back on, make sure those little tabs go under, and make sure they go into that little spot right there, and make sure it's secure. Make sure you can push it all the way down, on all four corners here, before you start turning these things. This one you can go and turn, and then when you turn these, make sure you push it all the way down and then gently to the right.